Uria wari minista wa mithako Hassan Wario na njorua ya mahenya ma gutua ng'ongo Kipchoge Keino mahota kuhorio curu njera maga kwinengerana kuri borithi mbere ya kana ga kiumia giki.
If by 6 a.m. on 18th October 2018, as referred to in paragraph 2 above, the accused will not have presented themselves to the DCI, warrants of arrest to issue immediately.
One kuringana na mucirithania wa igoti ria ungumania Douglas Ogoti urathikiriria cira uria ugumiire Wario, Kipchoge uria wari mwandiki mukaru ministry ya mithako Richard na Giana magikuruhanio na githagathago kiria kiagumiire timu ya bururi hindi ya mithako ma Rio Olympic bururi-ini wa Brazil. Ogoti akinyaniirie itua riria Richard ari hamwe na uria wari murugamiriri wa mathako Steven Soi na uria wari mwandiki munene wa kiama kia NOK guku bururi-ini Francis Kinyiri megukinyitio igoti-ini gwitika thitango cia kuhuthira wabici uru na kungumia mbeca cia muingi. Ona kuri uguo atatu ni marekereirio na bodi ya ciringi milioni 2 o mundu na muira wa mbeca ta icio o mundu na atunyukirio mweke wa gutuika barothi wa Kenya bururi-ini wa Russia.
For accused too, is unfortunate that this court will not allow him to travel out of the country since he has not taken up his ambassadorial duties. There is nothing for him to go and hand over as indicated by his counsel. And it's this court's position that it's always good to be forthright and be candid.
Kuringana na wira uria temanitio ni mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi kwirwa ya mari othe ni mateithiriirie kura gwa ciringi milioni 55 hindi ya mathako ma Olympic uria athaki matetaga makiuga maheirwo wikaro takinyaniirie ikiro. Ona kuri uguo riboti cia mwanya irauga Wario atagukinyia guku bururi-ini kuma bururi wa Austria kuria koragwo ari barothi gatatu ga kiumia giki na ni atanyitwo kwandikithia ndumiriri na borithi cia uthuthurio muthenya ucio mbere ya kinyitio igoti-ini muthenya wa ramithi yukite. O kahinda-ini o kau mubunge wa Soi Caleb Kostiani niaugite ni haririirie gutongoria igongona ria kuhothithia mbeca iria Kipchoge arekwirwo ni arire handu ha Kipchoge akinyio igoti-ini. Kostiani augite Kipchoge ni ithaga ria bururi na ndagiriire kuhakwo ndaka. Agiaria marongoreirio guikio ngono ni Harun Komen na Patrick Kimathi.